Alright, this is the camo, guys. You know how nerf guns aren't very strong? Well, we found these nerf guns, and they actually kind of hurt a little bit. They give you little tiny welts. So, I'm gonna have Jace shoot me 100 times. Watch this first. Watch me shoot the window. So it's actually kind of powerful compared to a regular nerf gun. So I'm gonna have Jace shoot me 100 times in the back, and we'll see what it does.
Look at that. That's 100.
Yep.
Look at that. There's one right there. Here, just go back a little bit.
100 nerf bullets.
Oh yeah, those things are strong.
Now can I itch it?
Yeah, itch it all you want. Oh gosh,
yes.
looks like you got some weird disease.
Yeah.
See you later, the camera.